Hey guys, I've changed sides, Anya, because of some things we're going to do in this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to actually go about creating a Google Classroom banner. So what you see on the screen right now is my second hour science class, and you'll notice that this is just a stock photo. It's got some basic scientific glassware in it, maybe some nice coloring, etc. But if I click on my first hour science class, you'll see that I've kind of taken that Bitmoji virtual classroom that I created, and I've expounded upon it just a little bit. I actually did a lot of copying and pasting to create this from my original Google Classroom. So I want to show you how to do that. But I want to teach you how to do this maybe in a fun way. So maybe you don't want your classroom to look exactly as it does, where I suggested do some copying and pasting to put this in here. Let's try something kind of different and fun. So we're going to once again go into Google Slides. We are going to create a blank slide. From there, we are going to apply the layout to our slide. We want to choose the blank layout. We're going to save this as Shelton Google Classroom GC banner number 2, because I've already created one previously. Now, you'll notice that the slide is a 16 by 9, and that's far too big for a classroom banner. So we need to make some changes to the layout. So let's go to File, Page Setup. And when we get to our page setup, we're going to customize that. So click on Custom, and then you're going to change this to 16.67 by 4.17 leave inches and apply. You'll notice then that the shape of our slide becomes more of just that banner that we're looking for in Google Classroom. You're going to follow the exact same procedures that you did previously, in that you are going to go to background. We're going to choose our image. I'm going to do space for this one, and so I'm going to go ahead and click my space image. I'm going to insert that. Okay, I'm going to click done. And then I said I wanted to have a little bit of fun with this. So I am going to get to my Bitmoji. I'm going to open my Bitmoji, and I am going to put my Bitmoji in space. And I can find myself in a rocket here. So I'm going to, again, copy my image. I'm going to paste my image. Remember, if you don't like the size or the shape, you can always manipulate that. You can change it. Okay, you can rotate your Bitmoji so you can get a little bit more of the Bitmoji on the actual banner itself. Okay, maybe that might still be a little too big, so we're going to resize a little bit. All right, and so there I am in space. One of those things I want to remind you again of, if you don't like the way that your Bitmoji is facing, double click on the trackpad, go to rotate, click flip horizontally, and your Bitmoji will face the other way. I'm going to hit Control Z because I actually like it facing to the right. And so now once you finish your banner, once you have it exactly how you want it to be, you're simply going to click. You're going to come over on the left-hand side, and you're going to click, and you are going to go to, okay, so you're actually going to come to File. You're going to click on this. Why am I not getting my download anymore? We are going to go to Download, and we are going to download this as a JPEG. So you're going to download as a JPEG. Okay, and then we're going to come up to your Google Classroom. And once you are in your Google Classroom, what I want you to do is go to Upload Photo. When you upload your photo, you're going to select this from your computer. And here is my Shelton Google Classroom banner number 2. I'm going to open that. I can manipulate this to make it larger if I want, smaller if I want. It's a little tricky with your Chromebook because it keeps clicking off. But there we go. We can maybe move this just a little bit. Maybe make it a little bigger. There we go. And I'm going to click Class Theme. And voila. There you go. So hope you had fun learning about how to create a Bitmoji banner for Google Classroom. See ya.